The youth are betrayed. The suicide amongst the youngsters is desperate, unbelievable. In Switzerland, suicide was the second most numerical cause of deaths amongst young people. Suicide is taking over from car accidents. More youngsters kill themselves, die by suicide than die by car accidents. Unbelievable. It's horrible. Just horrible. St. Thomas Aquinas says that youth is the time of hope. It's not the time of hopelessness. On the contrary, it's the time of hope. For the youngsters to commit suicide is dreadful, just dreadful. Why do they do it? Because they're given nothing to live for and nothing to hope for. The adults don't give the youngsters any truth. The adults tell the youngsters in these supposed universities that their minds are incapable of knowing reality. And so John Lennon draws the conclusion. Nothing is real, nothing to get hung about. That's it. That's John Lennon. So John Lennon is drawing the consequences of this stupid, sick, treacherous education that's being given to the young. These poor youngsters are desperate. St. John Fisher said the fort has betrayed even of those that should have defended it. That was the betrayal of the clergy. The clergy betrayed. But were lacking in grace. They undoubtedly weren't praying enough. The grace wasn't there. And today the adults are betraying. The men are betraying the women because the men should be leading the women. The 3 L's. Listen, love, and lead. Listen to the women. Listen to your wife. Listen. Love her.